How to cancel Copilot subscription. If you want to cancel your Copilot subscription, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Copilot app. When you launch the Copilot app, you can see your profile icon from the top right. When you click on it, you can see Manage Account. So that's what we want to do. We want to go to Manage Account and it will take us to account.microsoft.com. Now, when we're here under account tab, you'll see different options. One of the options there is Microsoft Copilot Pro. Now, in my case, I have the free version. That's why you're seeing try Copilot Pro. But if you have the paid version, which is Copilot Pro, and you'd like to cancel a subscription, when you come to the account tab under Microsoft Copilot, you'll find the option to cancel your Copilot subscription here instead. And this way you'll be able to cancel it. Otherwise, you can also go to services and subscriptions tab where you'll be able to see any sort of subscriptions that you have and you'll be able to cancel it accordingly. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in the next video.